Hey, let's do this quickly. Anyway, this is part 2. Here's the pellet furnace. I figured I'd show you how we started it up. Well, dropping everything. Check out this thing. This is a piece of stainless steel. It actually started out as a flat piece of stainless steel, which I don't see right now, but it was flat. I took a cutter, I cut grooves in it. I actually drilled some holes thinking it would help, but I don't think I'd have done it like that. But it is made out of stainless steel. It's bent. And I welded a couple of things, and it slides right down here. And in place, just like that. Hey, let me pause. All right, now, let's put some pellets in it. Sorry, y'all. Bad video work. Stand by. Here's the propane. And I'll tell you what, I know you want me to prove how quick this happens. You just have to take my word for it, because I don't think the memory of this camera is that long. So let me get her fired up, and I'll show you. It takes about 2 or 3 minutes. Be right back. About 40 seconds into lighting it, and it's beginning to get a little warm and a little red down there. And of course, you're gonna see some smoke when you get started, because you don't have a flame burning yet. Gotta get a flame burning. Hey, be right back. I think I got this thing where I can get the light on. Check it out. Listen to this thing. Hear the train in the background too. Oh yeah. Rocket furnace. Get down, rocket furnace. Look at the way see the air? See how the air? Let me see if we can get this thing. See how the air just scoops underneath that little stainless steel basket. And boy, it just burned on the backside. I wish there was a hole in the side of this thing where you could see the flame just shooting off, but it is absolutely burning those pellets completely up. It's crazy cool. Love this thing. And look now, look at him. Nope, no much smoke. No smoke. Hot as Hades coming out of here, I'm telling you. I don't know if I ought to do this or not. Look, can you see down in there? Good gracious, look at that. Don't want to burn my camera up. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Good gracious. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Rocket furnace, baby. Rocket furnace. Here we go. Rocket furnace. I don't even know what part this is, but changes have been made. I've got it in the house now, and there it is. It's burning, buddy. See that flame inside that thing? Cool, buddy. All right, well, anyway, we got it in here, but changes have been made. I went ahead and redesigned it. Every one I've ever seen has a canister on it, and when you get up to this part, they chop it off, and all the flue gas goes in the canister, and then the canister surrounds this whole thing, and I was gonna do that. I got to thinking, heck, let me just make me an elbow. I'll keep the flue gases in here, put them in my flue pipe, run them on out the house, and I won't need a canister. And it's running right now, and it's heating this room now. The only problem I have is my flue pipe is still too hot. I'm still about 200 degrees right up there at the elbow, right before it goes out the house. So I'm gonna have to come back with a redesign of the flue pipe and do some kind of a zigzag along the wall and go up and add sections of pipe to it. May even add some of those little rings that go around the pipe, supposed to help reclaim heat. Anyway, we'll keep in touch.